My relationship with Sun Life didn't just start with me being one of their ambassadors. It started when I bought the first insurance for my firstborn 30 plus years ago. Sa Sun Life ko po unang ipinagkatiwala ang financial security ng aking anak. And 30 years after, I had the great honor to be part of Sun Life and be able to help in my own little way. Change, secure, and make lives brighter for millions of people, most importantly, Filipinos. Kaya naman po, allow me with great pride to congratulate Sun Life for being the #1 insurance company in the Philippines for the past 10 years. To my Sun Life family, to all the advisors, and to every Filipino entrusting their future with us, congratulations, and let's continue to work as one for better and brighter future for our generation and the generations to come. Congratulations, cheers to lifetime partnership.